This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can find and manage the camera gimbal advanced settings in this drone. So at the start you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Now tap at the three dots you'll find to the top right of the display to launch settings. Next select the gimbal settings and enter camera gimbal advanced settings. Here you have three presets or three configurations which you can separately change and adjust. So, well, at all times you have three prepared gimbal positions or just configurations, should I say. Inside those configurations you can adjust the gimbal pitch smoothness, the gimbal pitch EXP, the gimbal pitch limit, enable or disable it, as well as the gimbal yaw synchronous follow. And now if you would like to reset all your gimbal settings, just press here, confirm, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.